Hey everyone, okay, so today we're going to be going over some amazing new products, some fantastic products. So let's just jump straight in. Okay, so first up, let's talk LED light therapy because it's amazing. I've been doing it for a long time now. So after my last video on LED light therapy, which was about a month or so ago, I got a lot of questions on that video about what it really does and what are the benefits. And I also wanted to come back to an LED mask that I previously used and loved, which is way more affordable because a lot of them cost the earth. Okay, so LED light therapy, right? What is it? What does it do? It's fantastic. Now, Current Body Skin LED Light Therapy Mask is a multi-award winning product. It really is. It's become infamous in the industry for its clinically proven results, which is something that LED, personally speaking, LED light therapy, I feel really delivers results. And Current Body Skin is really leading the way in LED light therapy. So how does it actually work, right? Because, LED lights, what is that? Basically, the red light stimulates the production of new collagen, calms redness, creates an even skin tone, and the near infrared works beneath the skin surface. So you're talking about penetrating deep into the skin surface. It boosts circulation, improves blood flow, boosts oxygen to the skin cells. It just makes the skin incredibly dreamy. Now, if you were to ask cosmetic dermatologists what things really work, because I do, I ask them all the time, they'll actually tell you that over-the-counter skincare can change the skin texture and appearance by about 10%. Prescription products can change the skin to 20 to 25% or so. The rest requires some form of intervention. And that's really where LED light therapy comes in and really gives you that at-home results that you wouldn't normally be able to achieve. And clinicals have proven that LED light therapy can reduce wrinkles by 35% in 4 weeks of use. And I'm going to talk about usage at the end. Now, Current Body Skin LED light therapy mask combines red and infrared light, which is brilliant. You're harnessing the perfect measurement to rejuvenate the skin so that those wavelengths work below the skin surface to stimulate the kind of natural rejuvenation process, creating a complexion that is glowing, looks more beautiful, and looks noticeably healthier because you have that glow to it. Now, unlike many other LED devices which are hard and unbendable, the Current Body Light Therapy Mask is made from a patented flexible silicone that kind of wraps around your face, which basically means that the light can actually penetrate every area that is on the face or on the skin. And importantly, it will fit your face comfortably because some are so uncomfortable. Now, the best thing, unlike other LED masks, is that you get the same benefit but with only 10 minutes of use a day. So it's very quick and easy to slide into whatever routine you're using. And personally, for me, I use it almost every single day of the week because I love the way that it makes my skin look. So you're going to get beautiful results from LED, but what about the neck and the décolletage, right? Well, it seems that Current Body has that on its mind too. So Current Body Skin are also releasing the Neck and Deck Perfector. Décolletage, obviously. Now, the skin on the neck and the décolletage is often ignored, especially when it comes to your kind of everyday beauty regime, your skincare regime. We concentrate so much on the face because it's so important to us that we can neglect the neck and the chest area. And I myself am guilty of this, particularly with sunscreen, which I slap on my face. And then I kind of sometimes forget the neck and just go, because I forget, right? Well, Current Body worked with the leading scientists on this product to develop the second device in their Current Body Skin offering, which is again a flexible, wearable LED device which focuses on targeting anti-aging areas that you need it the most, hence the neck and the décolletage. Now, using the same dual wavelength red and near infrared light, this easy to use LED device has been clinically proven, and that really is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, again in just 4 weeks. So now you get the best of both worlds. You get to target not only your face, your neck and your décolletage for a more complete holistic treatment when it comes to your beauty. And finally, even more affordable is the Current Body Skin LED Precision. This is a brand new device, a handheld targeted device which offers a very affordable introduction to LED technology, and for those who are just sort of dipping their toe in, I suppose. Now, this is a unique design harnessing that same clinically proven LED technology as current body uses in their LED light therapy masks, the ones that we just spoke about. But this is a rechargeable unit, handheld device that lets you tackle problem areas on your face and on your body. Now, the current body skin LED Precision is perfect for targeting your fine lines on your face, should you have them, wrinkles, but also powerful enough to address other issues like acne, chicken pox, and superficial scars, as well as stretch marks. Pretty good, right? Now, due to it being rechargeable, as I mentioned, this means it's travel friendly and you can take it anywhere you want. So it's perfect for targeting smaller areas on your body, like I mentioned, stretch marks, but also recent scars. And it has that same anti-aging LED benefit of the light therapy mask, and it's very, very affordable. Now, the thing with LED and LED light therapy, from someone that's used it for a long time now, I know that it works and it works very quickly, but you have to use it. That's the thing. You're not going to get results unless you use it. Consistency is the key, and the more consistent you are with this, the more beautiful your results will be. For me, it gives me a much brighter, healthier looking complexion. And when I use this, my skin always looks better, which is why I use it pretty much every single day. Now, all the information on everything that I've just discussed, it's right down there in the description bar. Fantastic. Okay, so let's move on to some other amazing products. Okay, so on to other things. So what I have on my face here for color is, of course, my blusher. And I'm actually using the Bright Poppy today. And what's great about this, I think, or other than it's mine, is that you get really beautiful color payoff. It doesn't have to be as bright as what you see in the pan because I have it on here. But you get to customize the shades because you get to pick between whether you want a matte blush or add the shimmer for a shimmery blush or the highlighter underneath the blush. You get all these different effects that you can create to create different beautiful looks on the skin. And I just love it. I think it's so great. The size of the palette as well is just absolutely beautiful. I love my blushes. Okay, so this is another product that I've been testing, which came about from the setting spray video because people kept recommending that I try this product, which is the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte. So I made the first mistake, which was not shaking the bottle, spraying my face and ending up with setting spray bukkake all over my face, all these white spots everywhere. Was not a good look and I was not impressed. Then I decided to read the instructions and it said make sure you shake well. Afterwards, there was none of that facial that I just had. I have it on now and I've put this face on for filming about an hour and a half ago, and so far it's stayed pretty matte, so I'm pretty impressed. But it's only an hour and a half in, but I'd love to know what your thoughts are on this because, you know, setting sprays are notoriously shite for people with oily skin. I also got these from Beautylish. This is their brand new brush set. Let me see if I can zoom in and you can actually see it. Is that focused? Has it ever been? Who knows? I'll do a takeaway. But these are the new brushes from Beautylish. They are ultra soft. I used brush number 4 today for my face, and I'll talk about the foundation in a second, which is this really kind of short, sort of stumpy brush, but it works beautifully for foundation. You can use it as a buffing brush. The brushes are ultra sleek. They're ultra soft, so they're absolute winners. So thank you to Beautylish for sending me that because that's a treat. On my skin, I have 2 colors of the same foundation. It's from Guerlain and it's L'Essentiel, and it is the 24-hour wear. Yeah, right. Of course, it probably isn't 24-hour wear on somebody with oily skin like me, but the effect is beautiful. It's a really nice finish on my skin. I'm really quite impressed with how it looks on the skin. I think it looks really flawless and really, really pretty on the skin. Now, what's interesting is not interesting, but so technically it's not something I would wear because I don't wear foundation in my real life other than for filming. It's got a really strong scent. So those of you who are sensitive to scents may not enjoy this product, but it's really, really good. The effect is so pretty. It's so pretty. I don't know if the lights are changing here. I'm filming in the day and there's a lot of light coming in through the window, so I apologize. So here's a really, please don't do that, rude. Here's a really good eye cream, so affordable by Good Molecules, and it is the Wake Up Eye Gel. A really good formula. Very inexpensive, excellent for underneath the eyes. This also works so well underneath the eyes with regards to putting on your concealer. It can make a massive difference. The price point is excellent. It's got this really kind of, it almost feels like an oil on the skin, but then it sort of melts into the skin and leaves a very soft finish underneath the skin. I'm just going to say it one more time. It is amazing for concealer. So here's something that PR sent me, and I was really kind of, I don't know what the word is. It's a curious product. It's by a company called Resore, and it's a flannel and a towel. So, you know, big deal, right? A towel. But this company claims that it is the towels and the face flannels. They are impregnated with something magical that stops it harboring bacteria and odor. So I have one already that's in the bathroom, and I can state that after a week of not washing it, it does not stink. That is quite incredible. I think the whole purpose behind this brand is that to try and be a little bit more eco-friendly so that you spend less time washing your products. It's interesting. I'm not going to lie to you. They are so expensive. So I wouldn't have really been able to afford them myself personally. So I'm thankful that they were sent. I haven't used the towel yet, but I have used the flannel, as I mentioned. I've got a spare one here, but I think they are pretty cool. They are also so soft. They are so soft, and they probably should be at that price as well. There you go. Everything I mentioned in this video is in the description bar, which is right down there. So check it out and check out these amazing products, because these products truly are absolutely wonderful. They really are. Loving them. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye-bye.